Selvakumar and everyone who is very much involved in this bus. Keep on your work continuously till at least ஒரு 100வது ஈவெண்ட் I have to come and I have to talk with you. ஏன்னா ஒரு ஈவெண்ட் வந்து இவ்வளவு சிறப்பா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, அதுக்கு எல்லா விதத்துலயும் சந்தோஷம். இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பிடிஜி வந்திருக்காங்க, ஈவன் கண்ணன் சார், ஆர்வின் கண்ணன் ஆல்சோ கேம். அதுக்கு என்னுடைய டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்ல நிறைய பேர் வந்திருக்காங்க, எல்லாருக்கும் இது வந்து சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னைக்கு விஷயம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க எடுத்திருக்க ஒவ்வொரு விஷயமே சிறப்பா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. எப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா யங் ஆண்டர்பிரனர்ஸ், இதுதான் சார் இன்னைக்கு தேதியில வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமான காலகட்டம். ஏன்னா வந்து நம்மளுடைய பிசினஸ் வந்து பிப்ரவரி மார்ச் வரைக்கும் ஒரு மாதிரி இருந்தது. மார்ச்சுக்கு மேல ரொம்ப பிசினஸ் மோசமா போயிட்டு இருக்க நேரத்துல எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு உத்வேகம் வேணும், எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு வேகம் வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கான்செப்ட் நீங்க பண்ணிட்டு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் சார். கீப் ஆன் யுவர் ஒர்க் சார். அதே மாதிரி இன்னைக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு தன்னுடைய ஆசையே வந்து தொழிலா வராது. ஆனா இன்னைக்கு வந்திருக்க சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா தன்னுடைய பேஷனே அவங்க வந்து ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷன் ஆக்கியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ I have to thank that lady Sangeeta also and I have to thank each and everyone. நீங்க எல்லாரும் சிறப்பா பண்ணிட்டீங்க சார். Thank you sir. Thank you everyone.
Thank you Venkatesan sir. On behalf of our Rotrabus team, our advance birthday wishes also. Once again thank you. And Rotrabus Rotary Business School, it's a learning is the key to success. நம்ம வந்து ரோட்டரியில் உள்ள பிஸ்னஸ் பீப்புள்ஸ்க்காக இந்த ப்ராஜெக்டை கற்றுக்கணுன்றதுக்காக நம்ம நிறைய பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். இதில் வந்து பஸ் ஸ்டாக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு கான்செப்ட் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நம்ம ரோட்டரி மெம்பர்ஸ் வந்து அவங்கவுங்க பிஸ்னஸை பற்றி சொல்கிறதுக்காக. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம அவரோட பிஸ்னஸ் பற்றி பேசுறதுக்காக ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் திருச்சிராப்பள்ளி ஃபீனிக்ஸோட செக்ரட்டரி மிஸ்டர் ஜி பாலசுப்ரமணியன், சீனியர் மேனேஜர் பிஎன்பி மெட்லைஃப் அவர் வரார். வெல்கம் பாலா. 3 minutes.
Thank you, Nadraj. Thanks for the great opportunity. Let's start with that small video, Nadraj, please. Okay. So, friends, very good evening. My name is Bala Subramanian. I'm working as a senior branch manager in Punjab National Bank MetLife Insurance. So, அதில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு நான் பேசக்கூடிய டாபிக் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ப்ரொடெக்ஷன் அண்ட் சேவிங்ஸ். ஐ நோ தட் இப்போ உள்ள சுச்சுவேஷனுக்கு ரொம்ப 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 வெரி 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 இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டாபிக். பிகாஸ் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கிட்டத்தட்ட ஆல்மோஸ்ட் மோர் தேன் 60 days நம்ம வந்து வீட்டில் எல்லாருமே லாக்டவுன் ஆயிருக்கோம். என்ன ரீசன் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம வந்து ப்ரொடெக்ஷன். ஸோ எல்லாருமே நம்ம வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்து எல்லாருமே வீட்டில் இருந்திருக்கிறதுக்கான காரணங்கள் என்னன்னா, நமக்காக நம்ம பயந்து யாருமே இல்லை. தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட் ஐ வாண்ட் டு சே இஸ், நம்ம ஃபேமிலி நம்மளால எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துடக்கூடாது, அவங்களுக்கு எந்த பிரச்சனையும் வந்துடக்கூடாது. அந்த ஒரு ரீசனுக்காக தான். நாளைக்கு நமக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு, பிகாஸ் வாழ்க்கைன்னா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நான் நெகட்டிவா பேசுறேன்னு நினைக்க வேணாம். இன்னைக்கு இன்சூரன்ஸ்னாலே என்ன சொல்றது, பாதுகாப்புன்ற கவசத்துல தான் வருது. ஸோ நமக்கு என்ன ஆனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, நம்ம ஃபேமிலிக்கு எந்த ப்ராப்ளமும் வந்துடக்கூடாதுன்ற ஒரு ரீசன்னால தான் நம்ம வந்து எல்லாருமே வீட்டில் லாக்டவுன்ல இருந்தோம். மோர் தென் 60 days. நானே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு வீட்டில் ஒரு ஹாஃப் டே இருக்கிறதே பெரிய விஷயமா இருக்கும். ஆனால் லாஸ்ட் 60 days எங்கேயுமே போகாம வீட்டில் இருந்த காரணம் வந்து என்னால என் ஃபேமிலிக்கு எந்த விதமான சப்போர்ட்டும் ஆயிடக்கூடாது. அதே மாதிரி ஏன்னா நாளைக்கு எனக்கு ஏதாவது லாஸ் ஆச்சுன்னா என் ஃபேமிலியோட இன்கம் எக்காரணம் கொண்டு கட் ஆயிடக்கூடாதுன்ற காரணம் தான். ஸோ வி ஹாவ் அ ஸ்பெஷல் ப்ராடக்ட், டேர்ம் ப்ராடக்ட்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு, ப்ரொடெக்ஷன். இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான விஷயம், எல்லாருமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். அதாவது ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒரு ஹியூமன் லைஃப் வேல்யூன்ற ஒரு வேல்யூ இருக்கும். நீங்க உடனே இன்சூரன்ஸ்னா பயப்பட வேணாம். நம்ம இன்சூரன்ஸ்னா யாருமே நம்ம ப்ரையாரிட்டி கொடுக்கறதே இல்லை, அது வந்து ஒரு தேர்ட் ப்ரையாரிட்டி தான் வச்சிருக்கோம். ஆனால் இன்னைக்கு இன்சூரன்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இக்கட்டான சுச்சுவேஷன்ல இருக்கும். ஸோ ப்ரொடெக்ஷன்ற ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு. அந்த ப்ரொடெக்ஷன்றது என்னன்னா, எனக்கு என்ன ஆனாலும் என் ஃபேமிலிக்கு என்ன இன்கம் தொடர்ந்து கிடைக்கணுன்ற கான்செப்ட் தான். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் பத்தி சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு 15-20 years பேக் போறேன். முன்னாடி எல்லாமே ஒரு ஜாயிண்ட் ஃபேமிலின்ற கல்ச்சர் இருந்தது. இப்ப எல்லாமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலின்ற கல்ச்சருக்கு போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்ப ஏன் கூட பிறந்தவங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. எங்க அப்பா கூட பிறந்தவங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 6 பேர். இந்த கொஸ்டின் உங்களுக்கு நீங்களே கேட்டுக்கலாம். இப்ப உள்ள உங்க கூட பிறந்தவங்க, உங்க ஃபாதரோட பிறந்தவங்க பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க. ஆனா இன்னைக்கு உள்ள சுச்சுவேஷன்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம உள்ள சில்ட்ரன்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே நம்ம கைட் பண்றது, இப்ப எனக்கு வந்து 2 பசங்க தான். இப்ப அது கூட இல்ல, நிறைய பேர் ஒன்னோட நம்ம நிப்பாட்டிட்டோம். தட் மீன்ஸ் எல்லாருமே நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலி ஆயிட்டோம். முன்னாடி ஜாயிண்ட் ஃபேமிலி இருந்தது, ஒருத்தருக்கு ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் ஆச்சுன்னா எல்லாரும் ஃபேமிலி எல்லாமே ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. நீ நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலின்னு இருக்கனால நம்ம ஃபேமிலியை நம்ம தான் பாத்துக்கணும். ஸோ அதுதான் இந்த இன்னைக்கு உள்ள சுச்சுவேஷனா இருக்கு. ஸோ நம்ம யாரையுமே நமக்கு எந்த ப்ராப்ளம்னாலும் நம்ம ஃபேமிலியை டிபெண்ட் ஆகுன்றத நம்ம பார்க்கணும். ஸோ ஹியூமன் லைஃப் வேல்யூனா எனக்கு எதாவதுனாலும் என் ஃபேமிலிக்கு எக்காரணம் கூட எந்த லாஸ் ஆகக்கூடாதுன்றது தான். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஃபேமிலி ரன் பண்றதுக்கு 40,000 50,000 பக்கம் அமௌண்ட் தேவைப்படுது. ஆனா இன்னைக்கு இன்சூரன்ஸ்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாருமே ஒரு 5 lakhs கூட நம்ம யாருமே ப்ராப்பரா வச்சிருக்கிறது இல்லை. ஸோ ஒரு 5 lakhs ஒருத்தர் வச்சிருக்காரு, 5 to 10 lakhs வச்சிருக்காரு அப்படின்னா 10 லட்ச ரூபா வச்சிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அவருக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம்னா ஒரு 10 லட்ச ரூபா வரும். அதை போய் நம்ம பேங்க்ல இன்னைக்கு டெபாசிட் பண்ணோம்னா ஃபேமிலிக்கு கிடைக்கிறது 4,000 5,000 தான். பட் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஃபேமிலியை ரன் பண்றதுக்கு 40,000 50,000 தேவைப்படுது. அதுக்கு வி ஹேவ் ஸ்பெஷல் ப்ராடக்ட் ஹியூமன் லைஃப் வேல்யூ. நம்ம இன்கம் பொறுத்து நம்ம எல்லாருமே வந்து 1 கோடி ரூபாய்க்கு இன்சூரன்ஸ் கவரேஜ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம ஃபேமிலி எல்லாமே ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ண மாதிரி. ஸோ நமக்கு எதுனாலும் ஒரு 1 கோடி ரூபாய் கவரேஜ் வரும். அது போய் பேங்க்ல டெபாசிட் பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு 40,000 50,000 கிடைக்கும். ஸோ டைம் ஃப்ரேம்னால நான் ஃபாஸ்டாவே போறேன். ஒன்னு ப்ரொடெக்ஷன், இன்னொன்று சேவிங்ஸ் பத்தி சொல்றேன். இன்னைக்கு இன்னும் கொரோனா ஒரு நல்ல லெசன் கொடுத்துருக்கு. ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒரு ஃபேமிலி ரன் பண்றதுக்கு 50,000 60,000 தேவைப்பட்டுன்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தோம். இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஃபேமிலி ரன் பண்றதுக்கு 15,000 20,000 போதுன்ற அளவு கூட நமக்கு நிறைய லெசன் கிடைச்சு. ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் என்னன்னா அனாவசிய செலவுகள் நம்ம நிறைய விஷயத்தில் கட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். எனக்கே பாத்தீங்கன்னா தியேட்டர் ஹோட்டலுக்கே மாசம் ஒரு 10,000 15,000 ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுவோம். இன்னைக்கு 10,000 15,000 நம்ம வந்து கட் பண்றோம். ஸோ இந்த பணத்தை நம்ம சேவ் பண்ணாலே நம்ம ஃபேமிலிக்கு ஒரு பெரிய லெவல்ல சேவிங்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாம். அட் த சேம் டைம் இன்னைக்கு எஜுகேஷன்லாம் பயங்கரமா இன்ஃபிளேஷன்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், ஒரு இப்ப நான்லாம் படிக்கும்போது எல்கேஜி, ஸ்கூல், டிப்ளமா, காலேஜ்.
Bala, your time is over.
ஓகே சார். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ, தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் கிரேட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. இந்த பாயிண்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லிடுறேன். ஸோ 4,000 ரூபாய் ஒரு ஒரு மொத்த செலவை வந்து இன்னைக்கு எல்கேஜி டொனேஷன் 50,000 1 லட்ச ரூபா ஃபீஸ் கட்டிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ ப்ராப்பரான சேவிங்ஸ் இருந்தால் தான் நம்ம ஃபேமிலி ரன் பண்ண முடியும். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் த கிரேட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் ரோட்டரி.
Thank you, Bala.
Thank you, Bala. This was our intention is to make sure all the participating Rotarians in turn they get to talk about their vocation, and this idea has been working well. We do understood now the different dimensions of insurance. Thank you once again for addressing the gathering. Now it's time. We eagerly waited to listen to our guest speaker, Ms. Sanjita, and she has to be introduced by Rotarian Yesa Prabhu Kumar from Rotary Club of Madras Mount. Over to you, Rotarian Prabhu.
Prabhu, 1 minute. I would like to recognize the presence of our own past district governor, Rotarian RVN Kannan from 3,000, and DGN from 3310 Malaysia, Rotarian Dolly, and Rotarian Sivasangran from 3202, and Rotarian Hema from 3170. Thank you.
Over to you, Rotarian Prabhu.
It's immense pleasure in introducing the guest of the evening, Ms. Sanjita KK, founder and entrepreneur at OGMO Foods, pronounced as Agmo. Hope I've spelled it right. A startup founded on principles of innovative food products and support a health lifestyle. OGMO based lifestyle for better nutrition in more sustainable and ethical ways. She is also a commercial food stylist, recipe developer, and food blogger for more than a decade. She has successfully completed 100+ photo shoot assignments for television commercials and other ads for Indian food industry. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Prabhu, for the introduction. Over to you, Ms. Sanjita.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thanks for being my audience, and first of all, thanks to Maruti ji and Selva Kumar ji for giving this wonderful platform. First thing first, I am from Rajasthan, so Tamil Nadu it will be concha difficult. Though I am staying in Chennai for last 25 years, it will be tough to speak in Tamil because after seeing all of you speaking so fluently, for me it will be tough to speak Tamil. I'll try to manage. You can ask questions, I'll understand, and I'll try to answer you back. So I hope it's okay for you. So question kekla, I'll try to answer, but full Tamil it will be little tough for me to speak. So let me first start my introduction. I'm Sanjita. I'm born and brought up in Rajasthan. married to a South Indian and settled in Chennai for 25 years. And my education background, I am a science graduate with masters in economics and business management. What I want to take today's topic is like, I want to tell you, like, during this pandemic, there are many opportunities we can find out. We can convert our passion in which we are interested. We can convert it into our profession and try to sustain during these trying times. So that's how I did. A few of my passions I converted into my profession, and I am able to sustain during these trying times of COVID. So I'll start my earlier journey. Like, thanks to my doctor father and creative mom, I was always interested into healthy eating and creativity from my childhood. But as you all know, like children of 60s and 70s, there was no such thing as choosing your profession according to your talent or whatever you study. So there was nothing beyond like medicine and engineering. So I also followed the same, and I worked in corporate world for a few years in early 90s before giving up to follow my passion for food and art. So I'll start my food journey. I have a small presentation, and the presentation I'll show you in the end, so you can ask some question related to this. So my food journey, it started many years back with a small online blog called Light Bite. It was my creative outlet, like where I used to share recipes, nariya recipes. I used to click photographs, I used to share recipes. So from that, many companies approached me and they started calling me, why don't you do food styling for our product? So Archie, Milky Mist, Hudson, Phillips and all, they liked my photos and they said, why don't you do food photography for us? So it started from that small food blog in long ago. So in coming years, what happened was, that food journey completely changed my world. So it opened the doors for many new career opportunities, and like food styling is one of them. So if anybody has any question to ask, you can ask me. I'll be showing you the PPT also.
Madam, please share the PPT, madam.
PPT, you want me to share now?
Yeah.
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Actually, my son will be helping me to show the PPT. Show the PPT. Yeah. Yeah. This is like my food styling. This is how we do food styling. It is very new. New kind of profession now in India. So it is like there is courses. There are no courses. You have to learn by yourself. So what I wanted to tell is, back then I was internet connection is not. Is coming. Are you able to hear?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Please proceed.
Please proceed.
Yeah. Okay. So like in India, it is a very new emerging profession. So back then, like I was fairly new to the commercial world of food styling and had no mentor. From where to learn it and all. So I learned it from Googling, from reading, from my hands of experience on the sets. This was for Hudson shoot I was doing. So if I had a mentor or somebody to guide me through the nitty-gritties of food styling, my journey would have been even more smoother. So what another aspect I want to tell is that food styling is a job that sometimes helps me earn a very enviable sum of like 6-digit in a single day. So it's really very monetarily and mentally very satisfactory job. So just a basic knowledge about what is food styling. Like food styling is நீங்க நிறைய பிக்சர்ஸ் பார்த்திருக்கீங்களே ஃபுட் மேகசின்ஸ்ல இல்லைன்னா கமர்ஷியல் டிவி கமர்ஷியல்ஸ்ல அந்த போட்டோ பார்த்த உடனே யூ ஃபீல் லைக் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஈட் த ஃபுட் அண்ட் அந்த மவுத் வாட்டரிங் வரும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஆர் ஒர்க், தட் இஸ் ஃபுட் ஸ்டைலிங்ஸ் ஒர்க், டு மேக் த ஃபுட் லுக் very appetizing. So food styling is like to create in small words, I would like to say food styling is just to create a small image. Hello?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So like my aim is to make your taste buds tingle and your mouth water. So, so that's what we do. Like next picture. So and another thing is like many other professions, you need to be like a very good team player. You have to be confident. You have to be problem solver. You have to be well organized. You have to be able to work under tremendous pressure. Being creative and good cook helps. So I'll just go through some of the pictures I did. This was for Milky Mist we did. So they give us this much space and you have to work under the constraint. So this was for Hudson. So some of the shoots this I did in Ramoji cities. This was for an Andhra brand. So idina ella we have to carry all these things along with us when we go for shooting. All these are called props. We carry all these things along with us. So you have to involve food styling as a business also. You have to take it as a business also. So this is for Philips I have done. These are some of the shoots we do on the sets. So this is for Preeti we did. So that much effort goes, but you don't know what is going behind the picture. So sometimes I have to make this many food items for a TVC na TV commercial TV serials develop. I have to prepare all these things. So this is for gold winner. This is for Amazon I did. So while working for these big companies, you get a lot of exposures. This is for Archie TV commercial. This is for Savera Hotel. And the mari nariya like hotels I have done for restaurants. The Park Hotel, the many restaurants in Chennai pannirken. These are the perks of working in a food industry. I mean, food as a food stylist. These are the perks. When we work, we meet them, and we have to work very closely with them. This was in Ramoji City. I met Amla for Andhra brand. So these are the pictures I styled for some of the brands and all. Even like for I think this was for 777 brand or some Melam spices. So and the money you have to put it, because a picture can really change the fortune of a company. So the difference is what food stylists do is we design the food for the camera. So these food anybody can do. Actually, like when I showed you the Hudson, that was only paisam. Anybody can make paisam, but our job is to make it look camera friendly. Paisam can be like how we have to put the cashew, how it has to look fresh for say 20 hours. Some of the shoots I have to work for 18 hours to 20 hours. So on the mari there are a lot of nitty-gritties which goes into food styling. So see, this is for like Oyalo we did. So for the brand, for the packaging industries. Here also, like we will use like there are many tricks and trades which we use to make the food look good. So like I would have done almost like 100 plus national and international assignments for various brands, companies, packaging industries, restaurants, advertisements, magazines, TV commercials. Nariya, if you are seeing like TV commercial for Milky Mist, Hudson. So all food items what you see on the table has been styled by me even in the TV serials, some of the TV serials I have done food styling. So what I would like to say is, when you turn your passion into a profession, what will happen is you will start genuinely loving what you're doing. So which could even lead to higher productivity. So I mean, this is one profession I can say that if you love what you do, you will never work a day in your life. It's a old, cliche, but I like to say, because this surely is one job that still makes me jump out of bed every morning. So, and I've even worked as mentors. I've taught food styling in some colleges and institutions. So this is about my food styling journey. I've got some awards also, and some media mentions, like in India Today, Hindu, Indian Express. This was some award. Even I have written நிறைய vegetanல நிறைய recipe எழுதிருக்கேன், like for Deepavali recipes, a full booklet of recipe எழுதிருக்கேன் vegetanல. That also I do recipe development for magazines, for நிறைய brands க்கு recipe develop பண்ணிட்டு I give it to them. So that work also I do. This is the best styling award I got from Vegetan 2 years back. So this was my journey as a food stylist. So uh, I have achieved more than what I could have ever imagined through my food journey. So now what we thought, we thought that it is right time to give back to this beautiful society. So that's how our new venture Ogmo was born. Ogmo na OGMO. So OGMO literally means organic move. So like we wanted to create, like it started a year back, and with a desire to create values in the life of others. So it's kind of our way of expressing gratitude to everybody. So I'll just start a small PPT about presentation about Ogmo Foods also, but I would here there is a small caution also, because I just want to tell you that I always maintain a well-maintained, well-defined social distance from numbers and technology. So whether it's COVID or not, so all the time I maintain a nice social distance. So I have left this job to my husband and team to take care of the operations and technology behind Ogmo Foods. So as I told, like Ogmo literally translates to organic move. It's a startup founder. We have founded it on, like main idea was to promote healthy eating and sustainable living. So we started, it's a platform like where we are manufacturing value added healthy products. And we also provide job opportunities for the rural women, where our factory is. Actually, where our factory is outskirts of Chennai. So where we have a small farm and hello? Yeah, and the farm and the factory is located in that farm. Why we had a factory in the village? Because we consciously wanted to promote some of the local produce of Tamil Nadu. Say minor millets are there, and the Siridhanyam solvo. So we are using all those local produce in our products. So we had kept the factory there, so that we can directly get it from the farmers and even support the local farmers and give employment to the rural women there. So this is about these are like Ogmo products. These are selling in retail in Chennai, like Spar, Nilgiris, and online also. So these are all manufactured at our factory. So, and we really feel very fortunate to have been able to create jobs for rural women there. So these are very recently launched snack items. Just like to give a brief about Ogmo products also. What are Ogmo? So a small brief about Ogmo products. These are like today's like consumer are increasingly selective in what they consume. Everybody like they want to eat healthy food, plant-based diet, and most of them they don't have time. They want to save time, also have convenience, and still eat healthy. So these mixes, this is a perfect blend of like planning ahead. You can plan ahead. You don't have to cook anything in this. These are completely cook free. At evening, you can make it in the night, have it in the morning, or morning itself. You can just pour any liquid, milk, water, or juices, and keep it for or few minutes, and you can have it. So it's a convenience plus health because it is made with lot of superfoods. So like it's a complete breakfast. Terile, if you know about these complex carb, little bit of nutrition, if I would like to add is these are made with complex carb, good carb, which are good carb, fibers, proteins, and healthy omega fats. So the concept I told you is these two main concepts which on which Ogmo foods are based is the benefit of soaking and make ahead convenience. Benefit of soaking, now when you soak any grains or any seeds or nut, their nutrition increases very much. So that is the main concept of these products. Another is make ahead convenience. As I told you that idena ellaru cook free, completely cook free products, and you can make it before and have it. So some more important points about these products are these are zero oil. There is no sugar in this. These are vegan, and we have not used any kind of preservative in this. So this is the Ogmo food. So it's like this is just to just a one product I wanted to show you what all goes into this. So we have used like in this we have used like a beetroot powder is there, raisin, cinnamon, whole grain barnyard millet is there, chia seeds, cane sugar, pumpkin seeds. So when you mix and you can have it like this. So what all goes into that? This is our factory in the outskirts of Chennai. So where we are employing, we are getting the produce directly from the farmers, local farmers, and we are employing the rural women working there. So this is our factory setup there. Another important thing we started after the Ogmo food is like we started immediately going into a natural farming, which we started there. So because we, so like recently we took to natural farming as an experiment to motivate farmers. So they're like most of the farmers they are doing chemical farming. So we took to natural farming. We did an experiment and we grew a crop even of watermelons there. So it's like you call it an Yerkai Vyavasayam, so natural farming we did. So we and it was a real great success. So we got most of the farmers. So to show them that you can you can avoid chemical and grow vegetables without chemicals also, which is good for them also, for us also, and for the planet also. So this was a huge success. So like these are some of the vegetables we grew on the farm using natural way of cultivation. Air farming we use. So all these things we got, and we got a good market also, organic food market. This was our watermelon. We got around like 24 to 25 tons of watermelon. So that also gave a very good, a stable earning for us. This was very recently, 3 months back. So it gave a very good earning for us. So like in the, so it has been over a decade of my food-centric life, and I'm absolutely enjoying every moment of it. I would like to say that my husband is my pillar of strength. If I am the soul, he's the backbone of Ogmo. He takes care of the entire operations. So I would like to say, like, the food industry is evolving and we are really excited to drive in some innovation and growth in it. And we feel very humble that we are not able to live our dreams, but are able to give back to society, which really fits our ideals and lifestyle. In coming years, we are planning to, in coming days, maybe in coming days, we are planning to introduce few more innovative healthy products which are already in the pipeline, and we'll be focusing more on natural farming. In the end, I would like to sum up my session with a small message, and then you can ask me any questions and all. I would like to say that since it is difficult to gauge like how long this pandemic will last, it is important for all of us to be prepared for all kind of scenarios. I mean, we should work on reducing cost. We should redesign our marketing strategies, and maybe try to figure out some alternative source of income to sell through these trying times. So I wish everyone the best of health, wealth, and prosperity in life. And thank again Selvaji and Marutiji for giving me this opportunity. You can ask any doubt you have about the ventures or you have seen. Can you change that?
Yeah. Thank you, Ms. Sanjita.
Pleasure. Tamil.
Now, to pursue with passion and take it forward, it sounds so simple and it sounds so, like a father's advice to a daughter or whatsoever.
Thank
But
you.
on the passion, achieve it takes so much of perseverance. Mind a passion or convert it into a product or make it a business or a lifestyle. It's very, very tough, and you've done it. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And what more?
Anna, your voice correct allana,
Being
please.
a food stylist in the country, I can understand from you. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, being one of the top food stylists in the country, and then going on to make your own brand, and then subsequently going on to make natural farming. இயற்கை விவசாயத்தையும் promote பண்றதுக்கு நீங்க எடுத்திருக்கிற முயற்சி, it's a remarkable job.
Thank
You
you.
just look like a girl next door, but you are something very special, and you're a big motivation. And I'm a father of two girls, and I've allowed my girls to pursue the passion, and they are right now watching your presentation today.
Thank you.
We're so happy to see that you've achieved. And now the floor is open for Rotarians to ask your questions. And first is Sudhakaran, President Rotarian N. Sudhakaran. You can ask your question, sir. Rotarian N. Sudhakaran. Or Rotarian Surendran from Pondicherry Midtown. Pondicherry Midtown, Surendran.
Rotarian Surendran.
Good evening.
Sir,
Yeah.
Kelunga, sir, please.
Yeah.
Good evening, madam. Thanks for the nice presentation.
Thank you.
Nice to know about your products. Definitely we'll try your product next time.
Thank you.
I'm also into food industry where we manufacture food flavors, nature identical food flavors. So I just like to know that do you add any natural food identical flavors in your products?
No, in the Ogmo breakfast mixes, we have not added any flavors. So
Okay.
what flavors we have added is only cinnamon powder.
Okay.
Yeah, the real patte we have to powdered, and we have added that. So we have not added any nature identical or artificial flavor in this.
Okay, so it's all natural
All
flavors.
natural. All natural.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. All the best.
Sure.
And a question from me, you've been working with celebrities also. What are the kind of work you've been with them? Is it any personal festivals or functions you've been coordinating with them, or is it been at the professional front?
No, it was all professional. It was most of the work was TV commercials. What you see, like the Hansika and all you have seen, those were for a Coimbatore brand aroma curd, I think தயிருக்கு பண்ணும். So that so paneer and தயிர். So this is all professional level. Even the amala and all we did Andhra brand of oil. So they come and they work there. I have to just we discuss with the client and agency, and we have to coordinate with everybody and work with them. So they have to we have to tell them this is the food, you have to test it. So for testing ka taniya vepo, so which she is going to eat, that I have to cook it separately, and for the camera ka, it has to be done separately. So those are all we have done all professional commercial shoots. So what you see in the TV commercial in the Milky Mist ad, recent ad, RKG ghee, GRB ghee, so if you see the food items, lastly they will show the food items. So those food items I prepare and I make it look camera friendly, because it has to stay for fresh for long time. Sometimes it takes 18 hours to 20 hours continuously at a stretch or a shoot. So morning food panna, it has to look good and fresh until the night 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So that is our job. So that's what we do.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. We have a question from PK. PK, you can ask your question. PK.
Yeah, Sanjita, it's a well done presentation. My question is that the photography, because my hobby is photography. I mean, the food photography that you have done, is it you do it, or you have somebody supporting you do it? And can you just give us a brief in terms of I mean, what exactly do you do in this photography?
When we do it for TV commercial, it's there are commercial photographers, they do it. And even for packaging industry advertising, and there are commercial photographers. I am not a professional photographer. Yeah, I'm more of a food stylist. So I do know a little bit about photography. I've done photography for magazines, for Grand's snacks and sweets. I've done for 300 products for them. But professional photographers are needed for these kind of shoots. And you can't manage both. Managing both, either you can concentrate on food styling or photography. If you manage both, the end product may not be as good as.
Voice is not feasible. Hello.
Selvakumar, you had a question.
Yeah. Good evening. Nice presentation, and I'm very thankful to you.
Thank you.
Do you have any idea of promoting new people into this business?
Into which one? The food styling?
This food styling, yeah.
Food styling. Food styling, we promoting in the sense, like you want somebody to come in, because there is no institution. It has not been institutionalized as yet.
Yeah.
No courses. There is no.
No, for our if we give any of our Rotary people in a few groups, can you? Is it possible for you to train them?
Sure, they can come and assist me when I am doing on the sets. So that's not a problem. They can learn the tricks, and they can start on their own. So they have to follow me during most of my shoots on the studio or on the sets, and they can do it. But the food styling, it will be better if they know a little bit about cooking also, and they should be a little bit of creative. That will help them, because they should know how the food will react under high light, high pressure, and how to make it stay fresh. So that helps, because that is our job. I mean, anybody can do. Even if he is a cook or if he is a chef, that is the difference between a chef and a food stylist. See, I have done shoots for even big hotels and restaurants. So people will ask, what are you doing there? There are chefs, better cooks than you, who know how to present dish better than you. But the difference is they know, definitely they know how to present a dish and how to make a dish. But what we do is we make the dish look good in camera. They will make the dish look, dish taste good for your tongue. We will make the dish look good for your eyes. So that is the difference we do. For them, taste is important. For us, the look is important. That's what we do. The creative people we do. What we are doing, what I am styling and all, what you are seeing in the ads, you may not be able to eat anything. And we advise don't eat, because we put lot of, drinks and trade to make it look fresh. So every time I make food, everybody, madam, saapdum pole irukka madam, it looks so tasty. And I said, no, please, first caution is pakkathile varadinge. We have put mosquito ide potirukken adile because they should not come and eat. We make it look good. We use glycerin and a lot of other things like that so that it stays fresh for 10 hours, 15 hours. So that is the difference between food stylist and chef also. So chef can make the food look good for your taste, but we will make it look good for your eyes and for camera. So that is the difference.
Thank you, madam. Thank
And
you.
definitely, I mean, if they want to come and learn about the food styling, I can definitely take them as assistants, and they can learn on the sets. They can get hands-on experience on food styling, and it is definitely a very, I mean, it's a very, what to say, monetary. I've told you earlier also, it's a very satisfactory, both the monetary and creatively. So you can really earn a lot in a day in food styling and food photography.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah.
Pleasure.
Thank you, ma'am. Rotarian Gokul, he's got a question for you. Over to you, Rotarian Gokul.
கோகுல் சார், நீங்க அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு கேளுங்க.
Okay. Good evening, Sanjita.
Good evening.
மேடம், நீங்க சாப்பாடெல்லாம் அழகழகா போட்டோ எடுத்து போட்டுறீங்க. ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்லயோ இல்ல வெளியில போய் சாப்பிடுறப்ப அதே மாதிரி இல்லைன்னா ஒரு டிசப்பாயின்மெண்ட் வராதா?
இல்ல வராது. டேஸ்ட் டெஃபினெட்லி உங்களுக்கு டேஸ்ட் நல்லா இருக்கும். our job is to bring you to restaurant, and the dish நல்லா அவ்வளோ அட்ராக்டிவா இருக்கணும், so that நீங்க இந்த ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்ல போறீங்க அங்கே போகாம இங்க வரீங்க. அதுதான் my job is.
ஓகே.
டெஃபினெட்லி குட்.
போட்டோல இருக்கிற மாதிரி நமக்கு முன்னாடி பிளேட்ல இல்ல அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இது ஒரு டிசப்பாயின்மெண்ட் வராது?
No, அதெல்லாம் வராது, உங்களுக்கு வராது. Definitely, if you are going to a good restaurant, dishes, you are definitely going to enjoy your food.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Next question is from Rotarian Sivasubramaniam.
I am Sukumaran from Rotary Club of Tirupur.
Okay.
Madam, you do this consultation for restaurants also, small size restaurants, anything like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. In that case, how to contact you? I don't know. I can ask this question on this platform.
Sure.
Okay, we will share the number.
Selvaji can share the number. I develop recipes for restaurants. I develop recipes for many brands and restaurants.
For schools, I mean lunch programs and all that.
Pardon?
Can you prepare a menu for school, healthy food for schools?
Yes, sure.
Right. Thank you.
Sure.
Madam, as a moderator, I have two questions for you.
Sure.
Question number one, all the technical aspect நீங்க எப்ப கத்துக்கிட்டீங்க? When did you learn about the technical aspect? How the food should be kept, the duration? Maybe you said the light of the camera and other things. The food has to be prepared in a particular manner. How did you learn such technical things? Because this is a passion that you started to pursue. I'm sure you didn't read about it much. You got into the job and then learned one by one. Can you just explain how it happened? The second question is, do you take internship of students who can come under you?
Yeah, I'll answer the second question first about the internship. Yeah, I have a plan. I mean, it is in the scope to start something on my own, a sort of like institution to teach others about the tricks and trades of this profession. The first thing is how I learned is like, as you yourself answered, it was hands-on experience while working for all these brands. So I also fumbled a lot. So during my earlier years, and I've learned on my way doing all different kinds of projects. So these
that must have been very challenging times for you.
Definitely, on every set there was something new to learn.
Did you make any mistakes that you felt bad that something has gone wrong in a big shoot?
No, that that is also like what you can. So this is like a quality you should have. I mean, any food stylist should have. Like you should be able to work under pressure, and you should be able to transform the dish from completely like a failure dish to a. I mean, you should be able to convert it into a what to say a success. So that is like a quality any food stylist should have. So there was recently a shoot also. In that they wanted the client wanted the biryani to be in a particular color. So I had to do like 7-8 times rice. Ade panni client we will send the photo in the color. Okay, no, in the color and on the color. So I have to immediately think and the presence of mind in the color eppadi varum and the color illa and the color vanda. So those like presence of mind, you should not get tensed while working, and you should give the best result.
Thank you. I know you have been your journey is always exciting. It is never that you know everything. Every time you go for a shoot, there is a big challenge ahead of you.
There is new to learn. Yeah, thank you.
Any questions? Friends, anybody got a question for Ms. Sanjita?
No. Any questions?
I think questions is over, sir.
Question over. Marja, next meeting announcement.
Announcement, please.
Yeah, can you announce that, sir? Yeah. Next meeting would be 1 second. Yeah.
So you can share the slides, sir.
Balachandar.
No, next one not. I will start.
No, you alone said, no?
Yeah. Next meeting is with Mr. Tarun Mahadevan, son of Mahadevan, very known for hot breads, and he's the director of Cool Cream Milano Private Limited. Topic is F&B industry and its future. Thank you.
Hot Breads Mahadevan, I think is a big brand in this part of the world.
Yes,
and the chain of restaurants he has. It's going to be a very interesting talk, friends, and I'm sure the participation is going to be as good as ever. Now, shall we move on to the vote of thanks now? Is it any other questions, or we'll go for the vote of thanks?
Yeah, please go for vote of thanks, sir.
Yeah, friends, there's been a very interesting talk and something very new for all of us. And thanks to Ms. Sanjita for coming over here and addressing us. Now it's vote of thanks by Rotarian V. Sundar from Rotary Pondicherry Galaxy.
Sundar na pesunga na.
Good evening, friends. On behalf of Rotobus and my home club of Rotary Club of Pondicherry, I thank all the PDGs and IPDG, RBN Kannan, DGN Bindi from Malaysia, PDG Siva, DGN Rotary Doli, and our beloved PDG Ashoka. And a special thank to Rotarian Venkatesan and today's chief guest Sanjita. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for today your motivational speech to us. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Now clap kudutalla.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Thank you
for coming.
It was very, very useful and very interesting talk. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and being with us.
Thank you to all.